Hey Steverson, how's it going? This is Sisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with Debbie earlier this morning and I promised I would send out this free website audit, just giving you guys some tips and tricks as far as what you guys can continue doing to continue being ranked higher on Google. So I'm going to jump right to it, okay? So right away what I'm looking at is I'm looking at your content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? And currently right now this is your homepage, so I'm assuming that a lot of your content is obviously on the back pages, which is totally fine. Now, some of the things that I look for is for keywords, okay? And basically a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you want to have those keywords within your website, because here's the thing. You want to tell Google exactly what terms you want to be found for, okay? So I would definitely dive into those things. I'm trying to see if I can even, yep, and look, there's a lag on here right away that I'm noticing. I don't know if it's my internet. Nope, it's the website, how it's being optimized. Anyhow, those are the things that I'm looking for keywords, okay? And I'm going to dive in a little bit more as to what that means. Now, let's jump over to this tab here. And this is a tool called Ahrefs. It just helps me understand how well your website is performing. Okay, that's one. Now, let's just look at this section. Okay, so this is, to me right away, it's kind of concerning. The reason why is because you see their low scores. But let's just take it step by step. So right away, this is the strength, the power, or the authority score. And you're currently being indexed at 2. This is your trustworthy score at 2.1. So you're probably wondering, so where does my score need to truly be to be considered a strong performing website? In my experience, I would say anything above 30 and beating your competition. Okay, that's the biggest thing, how to beat your competition. Now, some of the things that contribute to these scores is your backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking back to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these links, they act like an endorsement for your website. And the more endorsements you have, the more Google will trust your website and the higher your scores are going to be. However, not all backlinks, though, are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get backlinks within your industry. Okay, within the HVAC industry. Because if you were to get a backlink, like let's say from a local pizzeria, linking back to you, it would actually hinder your overall scores because you're not in the food industry. Now, you currently have 53 backlinks with 18 referring domains. Now, this is the last section I'm going to go over, which is the keywords. What keywords are you currently being indexed for? Okay, and this is important. So right away, I'm looking at air conditioning, Panama City, Florida. So these are great keywords. Continue doing that. You guys are doing a good job. Air conditioning repair, Panama City, HVAC, Panama City Beach, right? Air conditioning, Panama City. So these are great. Looks like you guys are doing some good work here. At least your website is being indexed very, very well. But let's just take, for example, AC repair, Panama City. Okay, let's just take that keyword. Let's see. Actually, let's take this one. Air conditioning repair, Panama City Beach. Okay, and the reason just why is because the volume on here is 90, meaning approximately 90 people are searching for this every single month. Now, let's just type it into Google and see what pops up. So right away, what I'm looking at, we're going to take it section by section. This is your Google Guarantee section or the Google Ads section. Okay, so these are companies that are paying to be here. Anytime I were to click on them or call them, they're going to get what is called a CPC, cost per click, and they're going to get charged that. However, they're getting a call for someone that truly needs an AC repair in Panama City. Those are buyer intent keywords. Okay, now this section here is my favorite. The reason why it's my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from this area. Okay, and some of the ways that you can increase your own rankings for your own Google My Business page for your business is one, get more reviews. Okay, and respond to those reviews. That's super important. Two, optimize your content and your photos with those keywords that you're trying to target. 3, update your GMB. Okay, send out updates to your clients, send out Google News. That stuff helps increase your rankings for your Google My Business page. The last thing I want to show you is I want to show you where Google's ranking these websites organically. Okay, you're not paying for Google Ads, they're just organically ranking. We got Yelp, Angie's List, those are citation sites. we have Modern Air Solutions. Okay, so they got the number 3 spot. But let's just see how well they're performing. Okay, so look, they're obviously service many areas. Okay, but look, best HVAC Panama City, Florida. That's a keyword. Air conditioning service experts, another keyword. So they're understanding the keywords that they want to be ranking for. So good for them as well. Now let's see how well they're ranking. Okay, they got a score of 26 for their power, 14 for their trust. They have over 805 backlinks with 200 referring domains. Their organic keywords, they have over 542. Okay, and let's see, they got HVAC Panama City. Look, their position's number 4. And look, their AC repair Panama City Beach, Florida, 100, and their position's number 4. Okay, and if we go back here, they're ranked number 3, so they're actually a lot higher. I don't see you guys on here for this specific keywords, but there's more. But anyhow, these are just some of the tips and tricks that I want to show you. If you guys want more information, please email me back. I would love to hear from you guys. Feel free to just send me some feedback if that's possible. That would be great. Was this information helpful? And here's the thing. If you guys decide to say, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and run with this information and implement it myself, no harm, no foul. But just let me know, which is totally fine. So that way I understand where we're at. Anyway, thanks a lot for your time. We'll talk to you soon.